Well, hello again. It's been a while since I've done these LEGO videos. Yeah, I was gonna do it for a Shark Week, but it was a bit late to the party because I found out that Shark Week had already ended on the end of June, and this set is BAM! Megalodon! Yep. The Monster Jam monster truck known as Megalodon. I love these names, man. I love these names. Yeah, and the reason why I'm filming it in 1080p is because I plan on doing the Dual Mustafar set in 4K. So yeah, the Megalodon video doesn't count as a mainline LEGO build. It's just for funs. Alright, let's get it opened. Alright, we got the pieces in the bin. Yeah, this is my LEGO parts container. Alright, first we gotta assemble that thing. Not the right piece. There. Okay. There we go. There we go, we got the first bit of the pullback motor done. Yeah, a lot of these Technic builds have pullback motors. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty much the same pullback motor as on Grave Digger. Yeah, if Megalodon appeared in Monster Wars, the mascot would have been like a shark person with a racing suit. Which actually does make sense, considering that the monster truck is called Megalodon. Alright, so I'm trying to look for some yeah, that's why it has some of the black pieces. Yeah, and as soon as you get it in, you're all right. Yeah, it's kind of miscolored when you have it like that. Yeah, but what you gonna do about it? There. Okay, so next up we have to put in the two other blue pins. Yeah, there we go. There we go, we got it in. Alright. Nope. That's the wrong piece. There it is. There we go. Yeah, and of course we got another blue pen. There we go, we got her in. There's a lot of blue and black pens. There. Alright, so alright, so we got, say, this piece to contend. There we go. Trying to look for the super long gray rod. There it is. Yeah, this is just the motor assembly. Yeah, keep in mind, this is just the motor assembly. Yeah, and of course, goes right in. Just like that. There we go. We got the. Yeah, the instructions messed it up a bit. What a frick. Yeah, I was inverted. I always make this mistake because the instructions, of course, are inverted. But anyways, we got the boner, part of the boner built, that's what matters. Now we have to look for a, this piece, which is pretty convenient. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is just a motor assembly. Yeah, it's time to release the shark. Yeah, same instructions as before. Except invert it. There. There we go. Alright. One, two, and 3. I, of course, enjoy this, doing this thing. Yeah, it's the Technic T piece. Yeah, keep in mind, this is just the motor assembly. There's a lot more steps to this. Look at this, man. Yeah, that's the L shape, the Technic L beam. I enjoy doing this. Yeah. There we go. We got this piece that is pretty loose, unless if we attach it to something. Oh dear. We got 2 more blue pins to deal with. It's not too surprising considering that blue pins and red pins are common on Technic sets, especially Bionicle. Yeah. Yeah, blue pins everywhere. Yeah, blue pins everywhere. Another L piece. Okay. I'm trying to look for a there it is. We looked for it. Found it. Yeah, there's blue pin. Blue pin. So yeah, like blue pins are very much rampant on a lot of Technic sets. There we go, that's only part of it. Yeah. There we go. And of course, we have to attach it to a yeah, that's pretty much the chassis of the thing. Now we have the wait, that's the wrong piece. There we go. Alright, we got that piece done. There. Oh my. Yeah, snappity snap. Yeah, another T-piece. Yeah. Okay, let's see. There. There we go. And of course, the icing on the cake. Yeah, there's the part of the chassis belt. Yeah. 2 more black and blue pens and we'll call it a day. So far, this is pretty good. Yeah, I think this is actually a good set. Yeah. Finally get to see some Megalodon action in a Technic form. Granted, it doesn't come with a minifigure, but still a pretty cool monster truck. There we go. That's the chassis. Alright. See you guys in the second part. Alright, the number 1 best moment of 2021 is when I got myself new equipment. Yeah, 2021 saw a lot of change in Racer Cinema Productions. My videos were still 1080p, and this was a time when even the best YouTubers were transitioning over to 4K. But there weren't that many cheap 4K cameras aside from this Panasonic camera that I got. So, well, aside from a few, and of course when I eventually found one, it was still pretty expensive, but it was cheaper than other 4K cameras. And of course, it was the first time that I went jumped ship to 4K, and I actually decreased the video limit, the limit of videos per day, to 4 due to the big size of the videos. Yeah, it went from 8 to 4. Go figure. Yeah, 4 videos per month, and of course, the best part, the videos were way better quality than the ones shot on my older Nikon camera, which is now sitting on display. And I would go 8K as well, but there are currently no cheap 8K videos, and the videos are freaking massive. So 4K it is for now. Yeah, this presented a lot of change, and my first ever 4K video is being shown here. And because I went to 4K, it actually increased the subscriber count alongside me getting more and more interesting things. Yeah, my subscriber count jumped. And again, I would like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and actually subscribing to my channel instead of being one of those people that just watches my videos and doesn't have the chance to subscribe to my channel, because I really appreciate all the subscribers. And I also got myself a new phone after using the same phone for years. Yeah, I've been using the same equipment for several years, but it was finally time for me to change. And change I did. Because I felt that Racer Cinema Productions needed some vast improvements. Yeah, this was it's definitely a restructuring going on. Yeah, videos per month, 4K, and everything was great. I even got a new SD card for the expensive camera. Yeah, everything was going great. And this was by far the best moment in 2021. Because nothing makes me happier than actually getting some subscribers and appreciating that people have all the support. People can support me. I mean, and I appreciate all of the support from the subscribers to my channel, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all the support, and of course, this ends our 5 best moments in 2021. Man, 2021 was a crazy year. And that's still not the craziest part, because 2022 is going to give us some crazy stuff as well. I actually look forward to making my Sega CD video alongside a new Gran Turismo video. There's going to be a lot of crazy stuff that's going to happen this year, but not as crazy as 2021, which is probably my craziest year yet. Anyways, see y'all later, and Happy New Year! Peace!